Choosing a high quality, high performance solar system allows you to maximise the energy on your roof space. You know, the smaller the block, the smaller the property, we're still able to get a large amount of kilowatts on the roof to future-proof that property against rising power prices, against the purchase of electric vehicles. Why waste your roof space with an inefficient product? Houses with multiple roof surfaces, with multiple azimuths, might also need a microinverter or an optimised solution. No point having a high quality product in your panel with a poor quality installation or the wrong inverter chosen for the job. Each design needs to be tailored to suit the roof size and also the customer's budget. I've never met anyone that thought that they should have installed a smaller system. Nearly everyone we speak to thinks they should have gone larger. So we talk about maximising the system size to suit your roof space, and that is within your budget. Feed-in tariffs from retailers are getting better and better each day. Electricity costs are getting higher and higher. Getting the maximum system size you can to suit your budget is the best investment you can make. Most residential properties can install a high quality solar system and have a payback under 5 years. And that would be our worst case scenario. I have some clients that can do payback under 4 years for a high quality system installed in the right location with the right conditions. This means solar systems have never been more viable and more economical.